new project going on. That is a sheet of 1-inch plate. We're in the process of finishing laying out the rake. The rake that's going to go on the front of the 550. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna have some help. She'll be coming out of there in just a little bit, so I'm sure that's gonna be some really good help. But she wants to hang out with her Andy today, so let's get to work laying this rascal out. I probably won't film the whole laying out process. All I'm doing is I've got my marks here. I'm gonna use that piece of square tubing. We're just gonna lay out our holes in here, go ahead and get them cut, then we'll make our long cuts here to make the teeth. And I had to cut one for a template, so that's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna have that curve to it to help roll whenever you're raking. That material comes up in here, it helps it roll. You want it to roll over to get the dirt out of it. So anyway, get to work. Yeah, that one needs to be charged too.
Guess we can turn them at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And charge.
All right, sister. You ready?
Yep. Is this video taking?
Yep, it's going. stand by. You can't watch this. That was delicious. Okay. We're loading up on the 550G. And we're fixing to take this old V-blade that's tacked on here. See, it's just got a little bit of weld here. We're fixing to take that off. And that new rake that's over there, that's going on. Because old Boudreaux, because it came from Louisiana, it's Boudreaux. Old Boudreaux here, fixing to go to the woods, Jack. Alright, well, old Boudreaux's starting to look pretty tough with a new rake on there. We got to get under there and tack it and all that kind of stuff, and you'll get to see more of it as things progress. But that's what we've been looking for right there. Oh yes. Oh yeah. We'll take it. We'll get in here and get some tacks on it. Tie it all back into that subframe down there, into the C frame. Get some gussets on it. Get us some braces here to here, and probably from right here back over to here. We got to get some sheet metal in there. Well, not really sheet metal, but some plate in here to keep things from coming back up at the radiator. So it is far from done, but we're a lot closer than when we started out. So anyway, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that happy stuff. I got more stuff with old cousin Matt coming up, old Monster Matt. He's got a whole SD card slammed full of things he's ready to show you people. I just haven't been able to run up with him because it's been kind of a crazy schedule. Either way, we appreciate you watching. Catch up with you folks later. See you around.